my Dungeon Owners and my Cookie Kids. We are back at Doodle God episode number 2. I am playing Quest today. This is the first quest. Save the princess. A great tragedy hath, but whatever. But luckily we have plenty of heroes to help. Alright. Okay, so what do we do here? King and dwarf? No. A king and a sword. We cannot give a sword to a king. Wow. Oh, I got it. A human plus a sword. This is gonna give me a warrior. Advertisement. I'm back. We got a warrior. Now, what about we do a warrior and a dragon? Oh, that creates something. Steak! We are playing Minecraft now. What if we gave a human an axe? No? What about a warrior a sword? A warrior an axe. What if a rogue a sword? No? Alright. Magic. Magic plus sword. Magic plus axe. What about magic plus human? We created an elf. Alright. Magic plus priest. Magic plus rogue. Advertisements. Oh my god. I'm back again. Sorry. What if we give elf magic, a dwarf magic? Good. Magic plus magic. What about magic plus book? Ooh, this is gonna create something. A spell book. Alright. What if we give a human a spell book? A wizard. We got a wizard. Alright. Not bad. What if we give a wizard magic? A wizard a spell book? What if we give a human to a human? A human to priest? A human to rogue? Advertisements. Oh my god. I'm back again. Alright. We gonna give a king magic. A king a spell book. A book to a human. A steak to a human. What if we give a steak to a dragon? Oh. I thought that I was getting somewhere. A spell book plus a book, a magic plus a book, which we already have done. I guess, where have we reached? Okay, we are still really behind. What if we give magic to a warrior? Spell book. Advertisement! I'm back. A dragon, a magic, a dragon spell book. A king to a dragon. What if, oh my god, a human to a dragon. A dragon to a priest. What's gonna that turn into? Ash! Oh no, oh. I created a whole new category. Seriously? Another advertisement. Are you kidding? Man, what's up with these advertisements? Alright. An axe to a dwarf. A sword to a dwarf. A sword to an elf. No. A sword to a dragon. An axe to a dragon. No. Hey. What can a person do? Man. A sword with magic, a sword with spells, a sword with magic, a sword with spells. An axe. What about we do a dragon plus an axe? A sword plus an axe? Or a dragon plus advertisement? We back, sorry. I have done that already. What about if we gave a rogue an axe? Okay. What about axe to a sword and axe to this? A book plus an axe plus a book. A sword plus a bow. What am I gonna do? Is no, no, you don't. Jeez, this game is full of advertisements. Can't bear it. What about? What about a dwarf to a dragon, an elf to a dragon, a human to a dragon, a rogue to a dragon. A rogue plus dragon is equal to as. What if we give a king a warrior? A wizard to a warrior. Wow, what is this gonna create? Adventurers! Alright. What if. Well, I've got an idea. Adventurers plus adventurers. An adventurer to a human. An adventurer. Party! Yay! We're gonna party in. I'm back. Party to a dragon. Let's go party to a dragon. This is gonna create a dead dragon. What are we gonna do? A dead dragon plus magic. A dead dragon plus spell book. Alright. We gotta do something with the dead dragon. Alright. An axe plus a dead dragon. No. I don't think so. What about a dragon to a dead dragon? King a dead dragon. Oh, I thought that they were gonna give us a prize. A rogue with a dead dragon. A rogue with a priest. A rogue with a human. I got an idea. Oh my god. I got an idea with an advert. I got an idea. What about if we take a dead dragon to a party? Where is the party? Yeah, to a party. A key! Ooh! What if we give an elf to a key? Oh, what about a king a key? A dragon a key? Or a key to a key? What about a key to a party? A key to an adventurer? Magic. That would be a magical book or a key. Magical key would be so good. Ash plus a key. Advertisement plus a key. Man, these advertisements are killing my butt. What if we gave a dead dragon to adventurers? Where are the adventurers? Oh. And an actual adventurers. Okay. What about if we gave a dead dragon to, I don't know what, to a key? What if we give a key to a dwarf? We had to do something with the key, right? Alright. Let's do the key with everything. A key to a human soul. Oh my god, man. A key to a rogue. Or a rogue to a warrior. A rogue to adventurers. A rogue to a party. I don't know what to do. A rogue with a warrior, a rogue with a wizard, a warrior with a wizard. We did that already. A steak to a dwarf. A steak. What if we give a steak to a human so that it can eat it? Ads. Alright, I'm back again. Stupid advertisements. There are so many in this world. What if we give an axe to a human? A party to a human, a party to a priest, a party to a rogue, a sword to a party, I got an idea. I got a super good idea. Let's check the map. Okay. What if we use one of the hints? I'm gonna use this hint. King to a party. To a good party. A quest. A quest to a party. A quest to a party. I'm back. Alright. So adventurers to a quest. What is this gonna become? Experience plus gold? Nice. What if we give gold to an experience? What if we gold to a dragon? I got an idea. I got a super good idea. We should give a gold to Ro. I thought that I was getting somewhere. A gold. Got a super good idea. I got the best idea in the world. Experience plus adventurers. Oh. Experience plus a party. Let's give the experience to a king so that he knows what to do when a dragon is here. Seriously, 11 minutes, but there are 15 advertisements. I do not know what to do with this world. Okay, I'm back and my sister is being irritating. Experience to a wizard, experience to a priest, experience to a human. A quest to a wizard, a quest to a priest, a quest to a human. What if we give an experience to a quest? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more things. I'm back. Alright. And what if we give a key? We have done that already. Dimahi. Golden steak. One of Mr. Beast. What if if I gave gold to a steak and then it turns into a golden steak, and then I gave the golden steak to a human and he becomes Mr. Beast? That would be highly funny. King plus gold. The king is gonna be rich. No, he does not like being rich. A golden book. Max. What if we execute the dragon? What if we execute? Speaking of execute, I love Pokemon. I have done that already, alright? What if we gave gold to a king? Man, I'm again, and this game is irritating me to the bone. The advertisements are so many, I want to kill my butt. I got an idea. I got the best idea in the whole entire world. Where is gold? Gold is here. What if I give gold to an elf? Gold to a dwarf. Gold to adventurer, gold to a party. Let's give gold to all human beings because all human beings are greedy. Okay guys. So guys, I'm gonna end the episode here because this game is irritating me to the bone with these advertisements. So bye 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 bye. Ta-ra 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 ta-ra. Hey.